What up, YouTube? Survivalist News. Today we're going to talk about a few things, mainly pertaining to CDC says COVID-19 can survive on your shoes, and once again, we're going to prove that's bullshit. We're going to start over here at this article at eLearning. I'll leave all the links in the description box. This is the difference between bacteria and viruses, published March 2017 by Lotna Pandawala. She has 246 publications. Difference between bacteria and virus. March 2nd, 2017. Main difference, bacteria versus virus. Bacteria and viruses are microscopic microbes. Bacteria are prokaryotes, whatever that word is. They are living cells which can be either beneficial or harmful to other organisms. But virus is considered to be particles that are somewhere between living and non-living cells. Viruses have to invade the body of a host organism in order to replicate their particles. That is important. Therefore, most viruses are pathogenic. What is pathogenic? A pathogen is an organism that causes disease. Your body is naturally full of microbes. However, these microbes only cause a problem if your immune system is weakened or if they manage to enter a normally sterile part of your body. That is also important. All a pathogen needs to thrive and survive is a host. Okay, so we'll get back here. Where was we at? Hold on 1 second. 1 second. The main difference between bacteria and virus is that bacteria are living cells, reproducing independently, and viruses are non-living particles, requiring a host cell for their replication. Like I said, if you want to read this whole thing, I will leave the link in the description box. We'll take a look at a few of these. Bacteria versus virus. Bacteria do not need a host organism for reproduction. Viruses replicate only inside the host. Considered as living organisms, which are bacteria, viruses not considered as living organisms. So, can a virus live on the bottom of your shoe if it's considered a non-living organism? Or viruses replicate only inside the host? They don't have cells. Viruses have DNA, RNA strand present. So tell me, is DNA, RNA particles, cells from a virus? Are they going to escape and be able to live on shoes? How are they going to live? How are they going to reproduce if they can only reproduce inside of a host? They don't have cells. If they don't have cells, they are non-living organisms made of nothing. They attack cells. Once a virus or bacteria attacks a cell, exosomes get released as your RNA, DNA defense mechanism after your DNA replicates into the RNA in order to stop what is harming your body. Simple. Think about it. Think about what's going on. Bacteria cause localized infections. Viruses cause systematic infections. So, in my opinion, just my opinion, you get your bacteria like a pneumonia, which people will say, I don't know. Okay, let me get back on point. I'm not going to go on a rant. Okay. Whew. What is a virus? A virus is a particle considered as non-living form. Viruses show neither respiration nor metabolism. A virus consists of its genetic material, either DNA or RNA, covered by a protein core. How are you going to have your protein core outside of a host? Where are you getting your protein from in order to protect you on the bottom of a shoe? Now, could a bacteria do that? Could a bacteria live on the bottom of your shoe? Sure it can. Bacterial cells surrounded by a cell membrane. The membrane enclosed cytoplasm contains nutrients, proteins, DNA, and other essential components of the cell. They are living. Bacteria is living. A bacteria could definitely live on the bottom of your shoe, on your skin, in your hair, inside you, everywhere. But can a virus? No. No, a virus cannot. If this CV-19, if this was a bacterial disease, I would be worried. I would be here on YouTube telling you not to put on your mask. I'd be telling you to stay home. If you do wear a mask, get something with a filter on it, because you do not want to be breathing in the same things that, you're protecting yourself from, because the bacteria is going to grow inside that mask. Either way, bacteria is going to grow inside the mask that they're telling you to wear for a virus that can only attack you through a vaccine, through an injection, through an exchange of bodily fluids. A fake hoax. This is not bacterial, people. This cannot hurt you unless you got the vaccine or you got something injected to you that's going to cause this. We've already went over New York adding 3,700 deaths to the death total, but those deaths were presumptive. How do they know it's presumptive? Like I said yesterday, are they going to go dig up the bodies? They already cremated them or embalmed them. How are you going to get anything factual that shows that they died of it? Oh man, so much nonsense. So much nonsense. Well, I'll be back a little bit later. Leave all links in the description box, including this link of the virus structure, if you want to take a look at that. Y'all have a good one. See you later, YouTube.